Could you tell me in detail about the journey that led you to choose teaching as a profession? I'm curious about the specific experience, personal value, and people who inspired you, or maybe moment in your life that made you realize that becoming an educator was truly the path you wanted to pursue. Uh, Additionally, I'd like to understand what keeps you passionate about the role today, whether it's the impact on students, the environment of learning, or maybe personal fulfillment you gain for guiding young people as they grow academically and personally.
I decided to become an education because I have always enjoyed helping others understand new things. For me, teaching is not only about giving knowledge, but also about guiding students to grow, think critically, and find confidence in themselves.
How would you explain the role and importance of communication in shaping the relationship between teachers and students within the learning process? I'm inspired in how open, respectful, and consistent communication can influence the classroom, building trust, help students feel supported, and improve their motivation and academic performance. And would you also share how effective communication contributes to resolving misunderstanding, creating a comfortable learning environment, and maybe encouraging students to participate more activity in class?
One of the biggest challenges today is keeping students focused, especially because technology and social media are very distracting. Teachers need to adapt by using technology visually and creating lessons that are more interactive, so students stay engaged.
Considering the characteristic of students today, especially those growing up in a digital era with the fast access to information, what teaching method do you believe is most effective for helping them learn? I'd like to hear your explanation of why this method aligns with the way modern students process information. Stay educated and develop critical thinking skill. If possible, please share explains of situation where this method has worked well, how it supports different learning preference, and how it encourages students to be more active and independent in their learning.
Communication is extremely important because it builds trust and makes the learning environment more comfortable. When students feel heard and understood, they are more willing to ask questions and participate actively.
When dealing with students who tend to lose focus easily or struggle to stay motivated during lesson, what approaches or techniques do you personally use to keep them engage. I'm curious to know how identify the reason behind their lack of interest, how you adjust the learning activity to make them more meaningful, and how you encourage students to connect with the material. I'd also like to hear you provide encouragement, feedback, or support so that students feel more confident and willing to appreciate actively in the learning process.
Method that encourage active learning usually work. Yes, students today learn better when they can discuss, explore ideas, and work on real examples instead of only listening to explanation. I try to show students why the material matters in real life. When me understand the purpose, they feel more connected to the lesson. I also give simple encouragement and feedback so they feel supported. Kira.